Okay, I've put the Durham's water putty on the stand. I put the paper mache over this. You can see the Vaseline's still on it. And then I cut it off. You can tell where I cut down through there with the razor. And it looked like this. This is the little top piece wherever it went. And I had to put it back on the top piece and put a little of it over the tip because it's so little I couldn't get it, to stay together. So I'll put more paper mache over the crack. You could use masking tape, but I got the Dollar Tree masking tape and it don't stick too good. And so after I paper mache this, I'll put some of that Durham's water putty on this also. And this won't have to be weighed down or anything, so I'll just leave it hollow. But I'm thinking with this, I'm going to fill it with plaster of Paris just to give it a little weight because that thing's kind of heavy, not real heavy. So hopefully I can get this sturdy enough, but I was just going to show you. I used my glove. I'm having to use my phone to make videos still. But I used my glove and smeared that water putty on there, and it looks a mess. And to smooth it out, I'm just wetting my finger. And, well, I didn't wet it good enough. And then I'll go over it like this. And I'll get it looking best I can this way. And, if I wasn't going to fill it with plaster of Paris, I'd probably put, 2 or 3 layers of this stuff. But, I think the plaster of Paris will work good. And I'll just keep doing this. And you can stain this stuff like wood. So if I can get it smooth enough, I can stain it to look like wood. I've done it before with something. If not, I'll just paint it and it'll look like a sloppy paint job because it's so rough looking. But you can sand it also. So if I end up having to sand it, I might have to put another layer on. Thick layer. Where I don't sand into my paper mache. So this is part 2, and I guess part 3, I'll have the whole thing put together and maybe even decorated. Cause my plan was, I wish I had this on the Lazy Susan. That'd be so much easier. But I didn't think about it. My plan was to have a mannequin. I've been wanting to do this for years, and put the greenery at the bottom. Like I've seen pictures for so many years. And so I finally get the mannequin. But now, let me show you. Well, I got a plate stuck to her. The way this looks on the bottom, I like it so much I don't want to cover it up with greenery. So, I'll figure something out, and I should have this filled and finished somehow. And have her decorated, and that'll be the 3rd video, and hopefully the last video. So, thanks a lot.